Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will try to show how to create a data store. This data store it's belong to a workspace. A workspace, this one here, for instance, the machine learning, Azure machine learning, or called in Azure Cloud Workspace. Now, after creating the storage account container, uploading the data into the container, now we would like to use this data, the encoded in the container, and use it in the data store. And after that, we can use it in the workspace. So let me just recap what we have done. So I have done this. Let me just the latest stuff. So I have shown you how to create this manually, CLI, Python SDK, and the last one is SDK. And as you can see, this pipeline or these steps will be applied via so pipeline as well in the last let's say in the last step to be end to end. So as you can see, we have created a container. Now I would like to use this container. For instance, this is the workspace 3. Now I have the containers here, and the container was the container pipeline. Let's see this from the last thing. And this is the data. Now I would like to use this data in my workspace. So let me just go back. I have all the here, and I will open machine learning, and you can see this is the latest one. Now let me just go to the Launch Studio, click here. Then as you can see here is in data, this one here. I would like to create a data stores. So as you can see, this data stores created automatically once we create the workspace demo pipeline 03. So I would like now to create a new one. Let me just click create. Now I will call this data store and its the type is store cloud storage. Now it's from my subscription this one here. And from the storage account, we would like to take it from the zero. Here we have the container. Now let me select the top container will be this container. Now I need the key. This one. Here we need the key. Let me just go here. And as you can see, we already say to get the access keys, you can key. So the keys will be to report, then from here there's the key. Now just need to key. I need to see first. So now let us open this demo and see if we can access the data. As you can see here, data. This is the data set we have. As you can see here, this container pipeline 03, the data, fill the data, and this is the data. Oh, okay, it's already opened. Yes. after that we will create the data set. So this is our data, which is taken from the container of the block storage. This will be stored block CI03. It could be CI. Yeah. Now I will just want to show you something. Let me just say data and go to overview. This is the overview of your data. Let's data store. This is the data's name. Here's the block storage type created by your subscription, resource group, and the account name or storage, this one here, and this is the block container. And sometimes I just want to show you how to create and valid, let's see, data store, YouTube. And let's just remove this. That should be, let's just really, we don't have valid, things has to be valid. But sometimes it's not, you didn't have the right, let's see, to get data from this storage. So what you can do, unfortunately, I have no select the block. Now selecting the block. Let's see key. So sometimes the current key is not the right one. Okay, perfect. As you can see, when accessing data store, you have no permission to access the data store because the connection is connection to the user account here. Now, what does this mean? So because we have entered an valid key, or sometimes in your case, it will be also the right key, okay, the right key, but this workspace has no permission to access this workspace. So what you can do is just go to this, open. I have done this in command line, and also I will show you how to in the resource in the website. So as you can see here, you have resource group, just to be your resource group name. And so our workspace, just to be the workspace name and storage account. Hopefully you know what's this. This is the storage account. This is the resource group name. This is the storage account. This is the group service. And the workspace, of course, is, and this is working with this one. And you just need to run this, and you can see I have got this ID. But for you, just ignore this. I will, of course, I will provide you with this command line later on. So let me just go here. And I will just copy this one. Okay. Now go to the main dashboard and search with just say informed type. Informed type. And just you can see select this one. Continuous session in episode extra ID. Now just go here and as I told you, just copy your workspace name. It should be this one. Please. Okay. Okay, need to be 5. I didn't need to just paste. Let me workspace. And this is your workspace. You just need to copy this application ID. Okay. Then you need to go to the main directory, the main directory. Then go to storage account. Our storage account is this storage account. This one. Now what you can do is go to the access control. Now add a role assignment. Now go to privilege administrator roles, then contributor, select contributor. The mini, let's see, the role has to be a contributor. And let me just click next. And here you need to select the member. The member, as I said, you just need to copy this ID. Okay. Let me copy this ID. Which should be okay. Yeah. As you can see here, workspace demo pipeline 3. This one, just click here, select, preview, and sign. And you can see I have now the permission. So this is only to solve the issue of you can't see this access to. But because I have entered invalid key, it won't be fixed. But this is only for you. Let me just see if this one fixed. Because of course, it's entered invalid key. And how to remove it? Remove the data store. Just select this and click on unregister. And that's it for today. In the next videos, I will try to show you how to do command line Python SDK version 2, and as well as the demo, the pipeline, and so DevOps pipeline. We will continue for these steps until finishing this process. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time.